Dinner's ready, Mr. Whiskers. Salmon with a side of ocean greens? Fancy.
Salmon, eh? Bold choice, human. Presentation, acceptable. Garnish, however, a serious misstep. Ocean greens? Really? Where's the creativity? No parsley? No chives? This is an insult to my discerning palate.
Wow, harsh. But hey, at least you're eating.
Eating is not the same as enjoying. This salmon is adequate. Flavor profile lacks depth. Texture, however, is commendable. Flaky yet firm. A solid 3 out of 5 stars. Would recommend adding a dollop of real butter. And perhaps a sprinkle of catnip.
Catnip? On your salmon?
Of course. Elevates the dining experience. Add a certain je ne sais quoi. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a very important nap to take. Digestion is crucial for a discerning critic.
Haha, you're impossible.
Don't underestimate the power of the feline palate, human.
Riz app told me to reply with,
Next time, consult the expert. Next time, consult the expert.